Germ theory. Germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur. Vaccination term was given by Edward Jenner. Web of causation, it was given by McMahon. Web of causation was given by McMahon. Multifactorial disease causation, Patton Kofer. Patton Kofer gave the multifactorial disease causation. And criteria of causality. Criteria of causality is Hill's criteria. So germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur, vaccination term by Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner is the father of immunology or vaccination. McMahon gave the web of causation, multifactorial disease causation given by Patton Kofer, multifactorial disease causation by Patton Kofer, and criteria of causality by is known as Hill's criteria. So germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur. Germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur. Germ theory states that the microorganisms are responsible for disease. That microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, they cause the disease. And germ theory, it disproved the earlier theory that disease was caused because of bad air. It disproved that theory. Okay, and germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur. Then vaccination term was given by Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner, he observed that जो मिल्कमेड्स काउपॉक्स से एक्सपोज्ड थे उनको स्मॉल पॉक्स नहीं हो रहा था. मिल्कमेड्स जो काउपॉक्स से एक्सपोज्ड थे उनको स्मॉल पॉक्स नहीं हो रहा है. तो ही टेस्टेड दिस थ्योरी बाय इनोक्यूलेटिंग a boy with cowpox and then later exposing him with the smallpox. तो जब he inoculated the boy with cowpox and then exposed him to smallpox, then the boy did not get smallpox. ठीक है, and in this way he found the vaccine for smallpox. Okay, so this led to the development of vaccination as a method of disease prevention, and he also coined the term vaccine. So Edward Jenner, he made the cowpox vaccine for smallpox, and he also gave the term vaccine or vaccination. Web of causation was given by McMahon. Web of causation क्या है? Web of causation states that disease do not have a single cause, but disease result from multiple interconnected factors. ठीक है, वेब मतलब इंटरकनेक्टेड. ठीक है, जो डिजीज़ होते हैं वो किसी एक चीज़ के कारण नहीं होते, वो किसी एक कॉज के कारण नहीं होते, बट इट इज़ ड्यू टू इंटरकनेक्टेड फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, that is known as web of causation. Disease is because of interconnected factors like environmental, genetic, behavioral, and social. So web of causation is given by McMahon. That it states that disease have multiple causes which interact with each other in a complex web. Then multifactorial disease causation given by Patton Kofer. Patton Kofer gave the multifactorial disease causation. Okay, what does this theory states? It states that disease result from a combination of multiple factors. It can be agent factor, host factor, and environmental factor. Okay, so Patton Kofer के according the disease, it results from multiple factors. Multifactorial disease causation was given by Patton Kofer. Patton Kofer gave the multifactorial disease causation. McMahon gave the web of causation. Multifactorial disease causation was given by Patton Kofer. And criteria of causality, that is Hill's criteria. So Hill's criteria has a set of 9 principles. Hill's criteria has a set of 9 principles which is used to determine whether an association between a factor and the disease is causal. ठीक है, 9 फैक्टर है. एक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एसोसिएशन, कंसिस्टेंसी, स्पेसिफिसिटी, टेम्पोरलिटी, बायोलॉजिकल ग्रेडियंट, plausibility, coherence, experiment, analogy. So these are the 9 principles of Hill's criteria. So, germ theory was given by Louis Pasteur, the term vaccination by Edward Jenner, McMahon gave the web of causation, Patton-Koffer gave multifactorial disease causation, and criteria of causality, that is Hill's criteria, it is given by Bradford Hill, Austin Bradford Hill. Austin Bradford Hill gave the Hill's criteria. Germ theory by Louis Pasteur, vaccination term by Edward Jenner, web of causation by McMahon, Patton-Koffer gave the multifactorial disease causation, and the Hill's criteria is the criteria of causality given by Austin Bradford Hill. Hill's criteria is the criteria of causality.